Camera angles and positions by Cailin, Lyndsay, and Dell. Extreme long shot. Figure is tiny in a very large area. Extreme long shot. Cameraman is a long ways away from the subject. Long shot. Figure is small in the frame.
The cameraman is fairly far away from the subject.
Medium long shot. Object is distinct and somewhat close with lots of head and foot room. For this shot, the cameraman is quite a ways away from the subject. Full shot. Object fills screen from top to bottom with little room on the top and bottom.
Cameraman is partially close to the subject.
Three-quarter shot. Shows subject from the knees to the top of the head.
Cameraman is getting close to the subject.
Medium shot. Shows the subject from the belt line to the top of the head.
The cameraman is fairly close to the subject.
Medium close-up. Shot shows the subject from the chest to the top of the head.
The cameraman is a couple feet away from the subject.
Close-up. Shot shows the subject from the shoulders to the top of the head.
Cameraman is very close to subject.
Big close-up. The shot shows the subject from below the chin to the forehead or hairline.
The cameraman is extremely close.
Extreme close-up. The shot shows the subject from the base of the nose to the top of the eyebrows.
The cameraman is a little too close for comfort.
Bird's eye. A shot taken from above. The cameraman is high above the subject. High angle. The camera looks down on the subject, often used to make a figure seem vulnerable.
The cameraman is high above the subject.
Neutral angle. The shot shows the subject taken from straight on.
This shot is taken with the cameraman at the same level as the subject.
Low angle. The shot shows the subject taken from a low angle.
The cameraman is below the subject, facing up.
Worm's eye. The shot shows the subject looking up at something to make it look taller or larger.
Cameraman is much lower than the subject, looking up.
Camera movement. Zoom. Zooming in closer on the subject. The cameraman uses the zoom function on the camera to zoom in closer on the object. Dolly track. A camera is on a set of tracks so it can follow the subject. Pan. The camera starts and then moves to the side.
Camera pivots from side to side.
Tilt. The camera moves up and down, like it's nodding.
The camera moves up and down with the subject. Slow-mo.
Crane. Like a dolly in the air. A large piece of equipment that can move up, down, left, right, swoop in, or move diagonally out. Slow-mo. A crane is a large piece of equipment that moves as necessary.
Shot types.
Establishing shot establishes the context for a scene by showing important figures or objects. Two shot, a shot with two subjects. Over the shoulder shot, a shot taken from the perspective of another person's shoulder. Reverse, switching back and forth between two characters.
Insert. Inserting a different shot to show the scene from a different angle.
Profile shot, a shot of somebody from the side.
Reaction shot. A shot of someone reacting.
Naughty, a shot of someone nodding.
Composition.
Simplicity. Eliminating unnecessary things.
Order, having things in an order to make it more visually pleasing. Depth, an area in which all objects located at different distances appear at focus. Convergence, parallel lines that go into the distance.
Rule of thirds. Using a visual tic-tac-toe board to show where objects are.
Asymmetrical balance. The balance of objects in the shot is uneven. Framing. Giving a shot a frame to change the shape. Emphasis, making one object look different from other elements. This shot also uses rule of thirds. Leading lines, leading the viewer's eyes to the center of interest. Lead room or nose room, having space in front of the object.
Tilted horizon. The horizon is on a slant.
Closure, when our minds fill in missing visual information.
Angle of destiny, a shot taken above to make it seem more heavenly. Bloopers.
Oh yeah.
Extreme long shot. Figure, okay.
Nick, stop it.
Probably look really terrible.
Make me look like really tall.
Where? Zoom, the camera gets closer to the subject. Reaction shot, a shot of someone reacting.
Shot types.